topic. Before I start, let me introduce myself first and my group members. My name is C A241, binti Muhammad Zamri. My matric number 298363.
My name is Atira binti Rahim and my matric number 28684.
My name is Sarif. My matric number is 86201.
What's your name? And then what's your name? Atira.
Atira.
Aini.
I'm Siti Fatika binti Mak Suhaimi, matric number 2953.
My name is Sarwan binti Mazlan, matric number 20081.
Today, topic for our pitch is addressing quality issues to rebuild trust and enhance business home's reputation. Okay. Good evening, esteemed executive, stakeholder, and everyone. I am C A241, representing the production team at Business Home. Today, we are going to address a pressing issue impacting our company's performance and reputation. Before I start, let's all imagine something for a moment. You walk into a home that's supposed to be warm and inviting, but something feels off. The furniture, the very piece meant to bring comfort and style, but doesn't pull up. That's the experience our customers are experiencing. It's starting to chip away at trust they have placed in Business Home. As part of the production, we take pride in what we create. To us, our products are not just furniture. They are part of the space where people make memory, connect with everyone, and feel at home. So when our product misses the mark, it's not just a bad review. It's actually it's actually a personal to us. Over the past time, few months, we have seen an increase in complaints about quality. And it's clear we are out of sync with what we stand for versus what our customers are experiencing. As you guys can see here, the impact is our sales last quarter were down 50% compared to the last year. On top of that, fewer customers coming back, and that's actually worrying me, and it should worry all of us. This is not just about number; it is about trust. When we lose our customer confidence in us, they don't recommend us to others. That's actually a huge problem because words of our mouth has always been one of our strongest assets. If people don't believe in our product, they won't talk about us, and our ability to attract new customers will shrink. But here's the good news: we can fix this. We have the chance to not only solve the immediate issue, but also make a real, lasting improvement. I hope that by addressing this product quality head-on, we can rebuild customer trust and reclaim our place as a leader in premium home furnishing. This is not just about protecting our reputation. It is about reminding our customer and ourselves why Business Home exists. We don't just make furniture. We create the space where people live their life. So let's make sure we deliver on that promise every single month. Let invite staff into our comprehensive plan to restore excellence in our product and renew the trust of our value customer. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
For now, we will continue this presentation with my part, which is a problem identification. As we all know, the patient Sopom has a problem with the bad review from the customer. As we all know, it's very important to maintain a high standard in production of quality product. So we need to immediately identify if there are any issue that arise from the bad feedback. Before I go to the main issue of the problem, here is some feedback from the customer that I was able to collect to find out the problem phase. As you can see, the negative feedback from customer is increasing on social media, and its focus is mostly on the material and quality of the product. So after we did a research, we found that there are three main problems that lead to customer dissatisfaction. So the first one is the inconsistent product quality. It is a major issue due to lack of systematically quality control measure, resulting in poor durability and functionality. It is happened because due to lack of systematic control in the furniture itself, and it also give a negative impact on customer satisfaction. It is happened because the lack of control from the supervisor to monitor the material used to ensure that the final product is in line with the initial ideal product. So the second one is the material quality and supplier reliability. It is a major issue due to lack of systematic quality control measure, resulting. The second one is material quality and supplier reliability. This will happen when the material source is insufficient and lead to this issue. This can lead to inconsistent supplier, when poor supplier may result in low quality product. This issue will be worse if the purchasing team always mistakenly getting materials from other suppliers without evaluating the quality. It also can be leading to problem in the materials. It is because there are many suppliers and they didn't provide the good quality but always in the cheapest price. So from the purchasing team, they always choose the cheapest price, but they don't see about the quality of the product. The third is inefficient production facility and workforce. This need to be emphasized as our company depends on machines and manpower to do the work. This is because all machines are outdated and not maintained systematically. Then the material used is also need to be checked first, so they do not expire or become less safe to use. For example, the type of wood to make a sofa or table, and the cushion material of sofa, as we see at the feedback before. In addition, the limited staff training also affects the ability to adapt to progress and maintain high quality standards. This is because they lack of exposure and motivation. It is also important for us to always keep an eye on them when they are doing their work to avoid carelessness. The staff is also important in the company because if we run in a good quality but the staff doesn't make the good product, so it will come up with the bad product. So that's all from the product identification. I will pass to my next presenter.
Hello everyone, today I want to share how Vegan Home brand is working to resolve some key issues related to our product. So, we have pinpointed 4 key areas for improvement that we need to do to make our products better. First, product quality. We are focusing on ensuring that every item that we produce meet the highest standards of the quality. Second, customer satisfaction. it's important to address our customer concern and enhance their overall experience with our product. Third, material sourcing. We want to guarantee that we are choosing the top quality material so that that contribute to the durability of our products. And lastly, manufacturing processes. Manufacturing processes, we aim to optimize our production method, better materials, and also to improve effectiveness of our product. A major concern we have been hearing for our products is about the durability and the finishing of our product. So to tackle this, we analyze our customer reviews to find the recurring issues. This will allow us to take targeted actions like tightening our quality checks during productions so we can fix the problem. The quality of the material that we use also important to make sure our product lasts longer. How do we do that? We will do the regular supply checks to make sure that they're only using the best materials to our products. This will help us to build stronger product and more reliable product. Next, we also need to improve our production process. Some of our equipment is old and our staff need a better training to avoid mistakes. So by getting a new equipment, giving a staff better training, we can make more products accurately and also a fewer mistakes. So by focusing on customer feedback, better material, and that's how we make the products, we believe that we can win our customer trust back and make Vincenzo home brand stronger. These changes will help us to stay a leader in the home appliance market.
Assalamualaikum, and I will continue about the solution of Vincenzo Home. The first one is enhanced quality control, which is Vincenzo Home needs to get a place more frequently and standard to quality at the various production stage. For example, before product are shipped, they introduce automatic and manually machine for functionality, durability, and finish quality. Additionally, they create a standard quality inspection checklist and supervisor must approve at each level. The second one is reverse supplier contract, which is update material and suppliers contract. This is to ensure higher quality and consistency, evaluate current suppliers, and create better standards for material selection. The last one is upgrade production and machinery. For instance, they make investment in modern machine or restoring older equipment that might be contributing to manufacturing flaws, and they think about automating flaws. Thus, where consistency matters in order to minimize human error. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum everyone. As you guys can see, this is our last slide of our presentation, which is conclusion. In conclusion, Vincenzo Home is on a mission to reclaim its position as number one home home furnishing brand. To achieve this, we addressing key solution directly on. The first one is product discrepancies. We will ensure to consistency our quality and design of our product. Number two is supply reliability. We will partner with dependable suppliers for the high quality materials. And the last one is production facility. We were modernizing our processes to meet current standard. For call to action, which is foster collaboration. Foster collaboration simply means encourage teamwork to work together. It is about getting everyone to share their ideas and also support each other to achieve common goal. In Vincenzo Home, the most critical factor is collaboration. All teamwork design, production and also marketing is required to the delivery product to exceed customer expectation. So these transformations is depend on the dedication of every individual at Vincenzo Home. Together, we can turn these challenges into opportunity to create more brighter and more successful future for our brand. That's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, now we will open Q&A session. Is there any question that you would like to ask us?
So I'm interested in one of your solutions you guys presented just now, which is upgrading the production and also your machinery. So by doing this solution, I believe that this will increase the operating cost of making a furniture in Vincenzo Home. So if the operating cost increase, it will also lead to the increase in price of your furniture, right? So my question is that how do Vincenzo will compete in the market? For example, you guys presented just now the IKEA and Wooden Street in terms of the price you guys offered to the customers, and also how do you guys stay relevant after the problems that you have faced just now?
So for your question, we will do a collaboration, right? So when we do a collaboration, we will also talk about how we discuss about the capital, the investment that we will be doing. So I think the even though the price will add up, will be higher, but also the quality of our product will also improving. So I think when the higher price with high quality, our customer doesn't feel like they don't want to buy our product because the higher price, right? Because the quality also improving. So I think that's not a huge problem from us because we will do a collaboration. By doing collaboration, also we will have a more permanent market because the collaboration will add the Vincenzo Home brand name with other company. So that will also add up to our reputation. Thank you.
Here for my question is that about the problem identification. So since you guys got that review from the customer, how do you guys will contact the customer back, and how long does it take for you guys to overcome the problems? Just give me the length of the time, because if we do take so long, the customer will not return to you. That's my question.
So from the feedback customer that we got is a bad feedback, right? So we can PM the customer and we can give a voucher to them, or we can do a return that the products that they did not satisfied with, and then for the you ask that how long it will gonna take, we can it's not gonna take a long time because if we are in a problem identification, we will work as fast as we can to come up with the solution, and it's the longest time it's gonna take because in about 1 month or less. It's because we're in the process of improving our product so that the product will not get the high expectation from our customer